Hi kids, this is your teacher Namrata. It's an amazing day and I hope you are doing very well and taking care of yourselves. Okay children, now today we will play one game where I will ask you two questions and you need to guess today's topic. Shall we begin the game? Okay, let's start. What is it that I blew on the palm of my hand? Can anyone guess it? There are a few bits of paper on my hand. What is it that made these bits of paper fly away from my hand? Can anyone guess today's topic? Very good. Today we are going to learn about air. Children, today's topic is air. Let's see how air is important to us. Children, what do you do when you feel hot on a summer day? You switch on the fan so that the air moves around and instantly you feel better. Kids, you have seen your mama drying out clothes, isn't it? And soon after a few hours they become dry. Do you know the reason for it? Yes, it is air. Air dries out the clothes faster. See this boy flying a kite. But is it possible without air? No, you cannot fly a kite if there is no breeze around. Breeze is softly moving air, isn't it? So, you understand, kids, that air is everywhere. It's in your houses, it's on the swaying trees, it's in your cars, it even fills up in your empty milk glass, isn't it? Children, all living things need air to live. A boy, a dog, even the trees need air to live. A fish which is living in the water also needs air to live. The elephant and other animals also need air. Even insects like honeybee, mosquitoes, ants need air to live. Without air, you cannot live. You need air to breathe. So kids, let's do a small experiment. See, there are two candles. One candle is big and another candle is small. The big candle is not lighted, but the second candle is having a small flame on it. That means it is lighted. What happens when the big candle blows the second candle out? Yes, the flame is put out, right? So that means you need air to burn, right? Children, have you seen these windmills anywhere? Anyone has seen them? You might have seen them at your native villages or Somewhere where there are big lands or farms. Yes? Okay. These windmills, do you know how the fan moves on them? Yes, they move with the air and they help us in creating power. Children, do you know what a fast moving air is called? Yes, it is called wind, and you can even actually hear a very fast moving wind, isn't it? Okay, kids, let's have a quick revision of this topic and see what we have learned today. Right? All ready to go? Okay, let's begin. Air is everywhere. You cannot see air, but you can feel it. All living things, that is human beings, animals and plants, need air to breathe and live. Fast moving air is called wind. Air is very important to us. I hope you have enjoyed this topic, kids. Let's have a quick question and answer exercise for this topic. Are you all ready? Okay, let's begin. So children, let's begin with the question and answer round. The first question is, where is air? Who can give me the answer to this question? Anyone? Oh my, so many of y'all know the answer. That means y'all have understood the lesson. Very good, children. Can someone tell me the answer, please? Yes, air is everywhere. Shall we repeat the question and answer again? Where is air? Very good, children. Tell me the answer. Air is everywhere. One more time. Where is air? Air is everywhere. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Who need air? Can anyone give me the answer to this question? Yes, all living things like the human beings, animals and plants need air. Shall we repeat the question and answer again? Very good. Who need air? The answer to this question is all living beings like the human beings, animals and plants need air. Let's get it one more time. Who need air? All living beings like human beings, animals and plants need air. Let's move on to the next question. Why do we need air? Who will give the answer to this question? Oh, no one knows the answer to this question? Let me tell you. We all need air to breathe. Why do we need air? We all need air to breathe. Shall we do it one more time? We need air to breathe. And the last question for today is, can we see air? We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Let's repeat this question and answer one more time, kids. Can we see air? We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Very good, children. One more time. Can we see air? We cannot see air, but we can feel it. That was a very nice session, kids. And you all have done a very good job of answering the questions. Good job done, kids. Very well done.
So that's the end of our session for today, kids. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and keep revising because learning should never stop. Stay at home, stay safe. Bye for today, kids.